5 secrets to living an intense life. Think of the most successful people you know. Some of the big names who've made it in their field, whether it's politics, business, or even Hollywood. The thing that's fueled their success is intensity. A complete focus on their commitment, their goal, even at times a perfectionism. So how can you harness the same intensity to improve your life? Here are some expert tips for living an intense life. 1. Find your thing. Whatever your thing is, it must be something you believe in with your whole heart. You can't be intense about a product or goal you don't believe in. So dive deep and see what really matters to you. Chances are it's not just making money or having a secure job. It's something that really speaks to your heart. 2. Be passionate about it. To live intensely means to throw yourself into your thing, heart and soul. Live it, breathe it, do the best you can and then some. 3. Be focused. No matter how intensely you believe in and work on your thing, there are still only 24 hours in a day, and you still only have a certain amount of energy. You're not superhuman, so make sure you don't spread your resources too thin or get distracted. Stay focused on what you really want, and that means learning to say no sometimes, even to opportunities that seem irresistible. 4. Stay in the real world. Intensity needs to stay side by side with realism, or you risk getting derailed. Learn to live with good enough sometimes, and to adapt to changing circumstances. A clever person learns to be flexible as well as passionate. Intensity can be single-minded, but it doesn't mean being pig-headed. 5. Stay balanced. The goal of work-life balance has become commonplace, but if you're living intensely, it can be easy to lose sight of what's essential. And self-care and relationships are just as important as your goal. There is such a thing as being too intense. Plenty of entrepreneurs have gotten so focused on their project that their relationships suffer. Being too intense can mean you hurt people and can even burn some pretty important bridges. You can live an intense life and achieve what you want out of life while still living a full, rounded life. Stay connected with people and reality, and you can make sure there's room for happiness and fulfillment too.